Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFII token. And this is my previous video that I shared with you that the price action at that time was likely to complete this bullish Gartley pattern, the final leg of this bullish Gartley pattern. And this was our last hope that if the price action will start the bullish divergence from here as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley, then it can produce up to 207% bullish rally. But in my this video I already told you, and several times in this video I repeated it, that this should be our stop loss. Therefore I also mentioned it here that if it will be broken down, then the price action can even move more down for the completion of the bullish butterfly pattern. This was 786 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to D leg. So we can set our we can buy it here, and we can set our sell targets here, or you can also find your own appropriate exit points after buying here. But this level should be used as a stop loss, because if this potential reversal zone will be broken down, that the price action can move more down for the completion of the bullish butterfly pattern. But I'm expecting. So this was from my previous video where I told you that the price action can break down. This is not the final statement that the price action can move up from here. Sometimes the price line can break down the patterns. In that situation, we should have some plan what we should do in that situation. So this was a stop loss. Now I'm just taking you to the trading view where I shared this chart of the YFII token. And this was a chart that I shared with you, YFII US dollar tether. And now I'm just playing this chart, and it can be easily observed that the price action has clearly broken down this support of the potential reversal zone. Now where the price action can move, whether it will move more down for the completion of the bullish butterfly, as I told you in my previous video. In today's video we will try to observe it, and we will try to understand what the price action can do next. Now let's move to the live chart. Before moving to the live chart, I would like to give you another soft reminder that I am building my team of Forsage. This is a very good 100% decentralized platform. Therefore there are no chances of scam. Here you can earn good passive and active earnings. If you will work as an active member, then there will be more better chances that you can earn better. However, you can also earn as a passive member as well. So this is my ID. I have shared in this video's description with my referral link and the email address as well. You can use that referral link to sign up here. And if you'll have any problem, then you can just drop me an email on that email that I have shared in the description. I'll definitely provide you the complete support. And make sure while signing up on Forsage, my ID 94633 should be displayed on the screen. So you will become the part of my team and my metric structure to have better earnings on Forsage, the TRX Forsage. Now let's move to the chart. And this is the 4-hour small time period chart. Here the price line was moving in this pennant, and that is likely to be descending triangle as well, but the support of the triangle is not straight. This is it is moving a little bit down, therefore I'm calling it pennant. However, it can be called as a descending triangle as well. So the price action finally has broken down the support, so the trend is turned more bearish. And now I would like to show you on the daily chart. It was moving in this pennant, having good touches at the support, at the resistance, support, resistance, and finally it has also broken down the pennant on the daily chart as well. Now this trend line has become a very strong support, a very strong resistance for the price action, as it was working as a very strong support since after September 2020. Now it will work as a very strong resistance for the price action. Maybe the price action will turn to the upside again to retest the previous resistance support as a resistance. Now I would like to show you another move on the daily chart, because here now the price action is likely to start this down channel. We have good touches at the resistance here and here as well, and we have a few touches at the support. At this time we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 touches at the support. Therefore, I'm expecting maybe the price action will retest this support. It will be moved at the support of the channel, and it will be moved up again. And here we have the lowest support, the price action support of YFII token, that is at $800. Even though the lowest price ever in the history as Huobi exchange is $716. But we have several touches at the $800. Therefore, I'm just accepting this level as the support. This will be a very strong support. Maybe the price action will be moved up from here. And we also have a very strong selling. This is the volume indicator that is showing the selling. And if I will place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel, then we can also observe that we have the support up to this level. That is not the support that traders interest up to this level, and we also have the point of control of the volume profile also at this level. And I'm also placing the moon phases indicator, that is a very good tool or indicator to determine whether the price action will break out or break down any pattern on trend, whether when it is moving, when you catch any trend on the daily chart. Then we have the new dark moon appeared below the support. That is very strong bearish signal. Therefore, we can expect that the price action can spike beyond or beneath this support of the channel as well. Now, I would like to show you this volume oscillator indicator as well, that shows the power of buying volume or sell volume. At this time, we have the bearish candlesticks. Therefore, it is showing the sell volume, the power of sellers. And we have the value of a sell oscillator that is more than 35.93. I'm just placing the cursor here, and you can watch the values here. Now you can see that the value is 35.93. That is very powerful sell oscillation that can even trigger the price line to break down the support as well. So we need this volume, the sell volume, to decrease as soon as possible. Otherwise, the price action can have another waterfall crash like it had here to break down the support. Now, I would like to show you the different moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Before that, the price action was moving here and trying to break out these moving averages, but finally now the price action has broken down all the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, and it is these moving averages now have become a very strong resistance for the price action, and it will be really difficult for the price line now when it will start an upward move to break out these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Now I would like to show you this move that I told you in my previous video as well, that if the price action will break down the support of this garlic pattern, then it can move more down for the completion of the final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern. This is the initial leg, then it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886. Then it as per bullish butterfly pattern, it should move between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is very far away from here, and that is in negative territory as well. Therefore, it is not possible for the price line to complete this final leg. However, we have the zero level here, and almost somewhere here we have the $1 level, but unless the price action will not break down this lowest support, that is $800, we cannot say that the price action, the price of this DFII token will move down all the way down to the $1 or 1 cent. we have a very strong support here. That is our last support. Now I would like to show you another powerful indicator that is giving us hope. I'm just going to place this volume profile before you guys again. From here on the complete price action in the history of DFI.Money token. Now here, first I would like to show you this pivot support level 1 that the price action has already broken down. So it is another bearish signal that the price action will move more down. Now after placing this volume profile on the complete price action of DFI.Money, we can see that this volume profile is showing very low interest of the traders below this level. So far, the interest of the traders is not developed at this level. I'm just going to place this trend line here so it will be easy for you to watch this level. Now, below this level where the price line is moving is a very weak interest area of the traders. Therefore, this is a positive hope that we can expect that maybe the traders will start buying from here and they will pull the price action back to this zone where we have the strong interest of the traders up to this level. And we also can see that this point of control, that is a POC or point of control of the volume profile, that works as a center of gravity for the price line. I've been telling you this point in my previous so many videos as well, that the point of control of the volume profile works as a center of gravity. Whenever the price line moves down or moves up, it always pulls back the price action toward itself. So we can expect if this the buyers will start buying from this level, because as these candlesticks are moving in the territory where we have the very weak interest of the traders as per volume profile, then it can move at least up to this level, that is almost $3,550, where we have the point of control of the volume profile. And so far our pivot point is there. This is the daily chart pivot point, and the pivot point also works as a center of gravity for the price line, same as like the volume profile works. That is at almost $5,800, somewhere between $5,800 and $5,850. So we can expect a move. It will, if the buyers will start buying from here, then it can move from POC, somewhere between POC and the pivot point as well, between this area. But we cannot say anything unless this support will be broken down, that is $800, that the price action can move more down and turn more bearish. At this time we have very strong bearish signals up to the daily chart, and we have only this hope that can take the price action up. I have also used the different indicators. If I'll show you, the video will be more longer, but I've already placed those indicators like the MACD, like the stochastic and RSI as well, and they're showing very strong bearish signals at this time. Therefore, we can let me just show you those indicators. This is the MACD indicator. You can see that very strong bearish. Stochastic is already in the oversold zone, but it is also giving the bearish signal. And if we want the RSI, the relative strength index, that is still not entered in the oversold zone. Here we have the oversold zone, and we still have more capacity or more cushion for the price for this strength index to move more down. Therefore, the price action can move more down. But it will be our last support, that is almost at $800, and we are also moving in the area where we have the weak interest of the traders. Therefore, the price action can move up from here unless the traders' interest will be not appeared in this area. This volume profile not show the interest of the traders in this area. So we can expect that maybe soon the buyers will start buying, and the price action will at least move up to this level. And if this sell will be continued, as we can see that the sell oscillation is too high with the power of 35. We have a very strong sell volume with the continuity. then it can take the price line at least up to this last support of $800. So this was the update so far. I'll definitely share more updates if I'll have. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.